So you want to download Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, I will show you a way to download this game completely legally on your PC through official platforms. So what we will do, open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game. Now once you are arriving at the Steam website, we can quickly search up this game, Black Ops 7, and don't waste too much time over there. Select the game, scroll a little bit down, and then you will find the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 for €79.99. Very expensive, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. And then we need to scroll a little bit down till we will find the PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then you can select the game and open the game page. Now as you can see, we can already download this game for €56.01 compared to the Steam price of €79.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is purchase this game through this website, and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!